We will now apply our text classifier on a few sample articles. We will get some sample articles and predict their category to see how the model works on newly scrapped data. This will allow further comprehension of the model, and we will be able to determine a threshold to assign a given article to the category others. That is, if the article does not belong to any of the five given categories. We import the trained models and the TF-IDF model. Then we apply category mapping dictionaries, that is, assigning a value to each of the five categories, which will be the codes for each of the categories. Business having the code 0, entertainment 1, politics 2, sports 3, and technology 4. Then we apply feature engineering, which involves the removal of punctuation marks, stop words, etc. Then we write a function that tells us about the category given the category codes. Finally, we write a function that includes the whole process. We then introduce the text and predict it. We have a text document here, and the predicted category using the SVM model is that the text above belongs to the category of politics. The conditional probability is of 93%. Threshold determination. We will now introduce some news articles, texts, and see how the conditional probability vector behaves. First, we'll introduce articles that clearly belong to one of the five categories, and then we will introduce articles that do not belong to any of the five categories. First, we have the category of politics. The prediction is correct for the above article. Using the SVM model, it says that the category belongs to the politics. The article belongs to the category of politics. The conditional probability says that it is 99.39% accurate. We then have an article in the category of entertainment, which is predicted correctly, and the conditional probability is 99.37%. Then there's an article belonging to the business category, which is predicted correctly using the SVM model, and its conditional probability is 92.9%. We have an article on the technological category, which is predicted with an accuracy of 98.08%. We have an article under the sports category, which is predicted with an accuracy of 76.6%. We can see that in almost every case, the highest conditional probability is higher than 90%. In the sports article, it falls down to 75%. Now let us apply our text classifier to articles that do not belong to any of the five categories. We have an article on weather report, and the predicted category using the SVM model says that the article belongs to the business category. The conditional probability for this is 62.97%. We have another article which does not belong to any of the five categories. It is based on health related category, but it is predicted into the technological category and with a conditional probability of 41.24%. We have an article on animal abuse here, which is predicted as an article under the entertainment category, and the conditional probability is 50.65%. In these cases, the highest probability is much lower, ranging from 40% to 63%. Threshold. Taking this into account, taking the fact that the highest probability of articles that do not belong to any of the five given categories range from 40% to 63%, we will fix a threshold at 65%. This means that if the class with the highest probability has its probability lower than 65%, the article will be tagged as other.